Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about ifthenelse and Prolog. In modern Prolog, this is written using the arrow operator, condition-then, else. For example, max, a equals b dash true, fail. Max, a less than b. This looks very similar to ifthenelse in other programming languages. But here's the important point, this construct is not purely logical. In pure logic programming, we would write multiple rules instead, max, a equals b max, a less than b. This version is fully declarative and symmetric. However, the arrow operator introduces control. It commits to the first condition and prevents backtracking. So, Prolog is no longer just describing logic. It is also controlling execution like a procedural language. In short, ifthenelse is convenient, but it moves Prolog away from pure logic. Understanding this difference is the key to mastering Prolog.